Hello, I'm Sean. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making the last of my free HelloFresh meals. I got a coupon for a free week, and I'm making sweet chili beef and green bean balls. Alright, it came with 10 ounces of ground beef. This is the package for two, so it's a meal for two, and I want to quickly show what's in here. Alright, we got some green beans. That's just enough for two people. Cilantro. Some rice. I'm going to go ahead and put my rice on first. This is soy sauce. This is sweet chili sauce. And there's a lime here. These are crispy onions. Alright, let me put on my rice. I'm not gonna cook this fast so that I can prepare the green beans while the ground beef is cooking. And I'm just gonna mash this down and let it get brown on one side before I start to break it up. Come on, beef. And I'm going to go ahead and move over to the green beans. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Uh-oh, got my stuff falling in the background. Uh-oh, I hope that's not too much salt. Oh no, I'm distracted. So the ground beef is cooking, and the green beans don't need a lot of trimming. I'm enjoying doing the HelloFresh meals because they are pretty much they're ready to go. Everything's already in your kit, and you just follow the instructions, and you'll have a meal without having to put a whole lot of thought into what am I going to do, because sometimes you just don't feel like that. But like I said in the previous video, I'm probably not going to continue the subscription, but that's just because economically it just doesn't make sense for me right now. But for this free coupon, I have enjoyed it. And my husband he had the buffalo chicken. He took it to work with him the other day, and he loved it. He's like, that was so good. I said, okay. I said, good enough to keep the subscription. He was like, oh, no. So maybe we'll double back, and we will get the subscription in the future. But for right now, it's not important. So I'm going to just take these green beans. I have a pot here. They're going to get steamed. I'm going to season them to a little bit of garlic powder and some onion powder, a little salt, and some pepper. I used to have a 7-spice Thai seasoning, but I think I threw it away because I wasn't using it, and I was cleaning out my cabinet, getting rid of the spices I wasn't really using, and now I'm kind of upset I threw it away. Alright, and I'm just going to let that steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is the quickest meal of all of the meals in the box. Had I known, I probably would have made this one first, because the ground beef is done on the stove. The green beans, it doesn't take them long. They'll be done in just a second. The rice is already done. I did use my instant, you saw the Instant Pot, because it's quicker. It's way faster than if I had cooked the rice boiled it on the stove. The next thing is just for me to put the soy sauce on the ground beef and the chili sauce. Oh, I need to get some butter. Oh, a half teaspoon of sugar. I didn't look at that. Alright, I gotta get those things. This is going to be good. Oh, I didn't wash this. I'm always forgetting to wash my fruits. Now, I hadn't left the beef on the stove so long. Look how dark it is. It's not supposed to be that dark. But it's fine. It's totally fine. Alright, now they wanted me to measure out this sweet soy glaze. Does anybody else can measuring spoons? They just get up and walk away. They just get up and walk away. I have no clue where they went. So I got this this 1 teaspoon, and I'm gonna measure it out like that. I'm gonna measure it out through that way. I have this little teaspoon here. Alright, I went ahead and added the soy glaze and some butter, which is according to the instructions, and now I'm adding in the chili sauce. And I'm gonna go ahead and add these green beans to this, but I wanted to mix it up a little bit first. I didn't know that. Ow! I just burnt myself. Can you see that? Alright, I'm gonna mix this in really well, and then I'll be ready to put it on a plate. Alright, so this is the food. It looks good and it smells good. So let me see. Get some rice. A little bit of the beef. I cooked the beef too long. That's on me. Hey, I don't want 2 green beans. I like it. I could probably do without the rice. But this soy, what is it? The sweet soy glaze and the chili sauce, that's really what makes it. That's what makes the meal. 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this. And next week, I think I'm going to be doing like a baking series. I'm going to do like cheddar bay biscuits, regular biscuits, and like just regular homemade biscuits, and sweet potato biscuits. That one's going to be new for me. I've never made that one before. But yeah, if you'd like to see more of that, stick around and hit subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.